Critical day for prosecutors in the court-martial trial of the sailor accused of setting the fire that burned the USS Bonhomme Richard over 2 years ago.
ABC 10 News reporter Michael Chen was in court and says some key witnesses took the stand today.
With no physical evidence tying the accused to the fire, prosecutors today laid out some of their most crucial elements for their circumstantial case.
The first witness to testify, Kenji Velasco, the sailor who said he saw Ryan Mays head down to the area where the fire started. Velasco was on watch duty that day. He said he saw a sailor wearing a mask head down to the lower V, the storage area where the fire started. He testified he believes it was Mays wearing boot camp coveralls and carrying a bucket at the time. There was a small interaction between the two, and Velasco said that person, quote, acted like Mays. About 20 minutes after seeing him, Velasco noticed smoke coming from the ship.
Prosecution was attempting to show that Seaman Mays was down in the lower V. Velasco's report that he saw Mays means that Mays was the only one who possibly could have gone down there before the fire started. Defense cross-examined Petty Officer Velasco, and they were able to impeach his credibility by showing numerous inconsistent statements that he's provided.
During cross-examination, defense attorneys pointed out how Velasco didn't initially report seeing anyone. Then after he did report it, he wasn't sure who it was, before eventually being certain it was Mays. Another witness who took the stand, Matthew Betts, who worked deck duty with Mays but wasn't working the day of the fire. With the two having the same assignments, he testified about a week prior he showed Mays how to enter and exit the area where the fire started because they typically had to clean down there. He also said Mays was the only one to wear boot camp coveralls on deck duty. Another sailor who testified said Mays told him after the fire he had been in the lower V area the day before the fire working.
Prosecution testimony will resume on Friday with a list of law enforcement experts. This trial expected to last about one more week. If convicted, Mays could face up to life in prison. At Naval Base San Diego, Michael Chen, ABC 10 News.